Hey, Guy from Midwinter Minis here. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, you paint little models on your channel. Why are you showing us how to eat Marmite? Good question. I recently did a collaboration video with an American friend of mine, and along with some models to paint, I sent Brent from Goobertown Hobby some Marmite because, you know, thinly veiled imperialism. Anyway, long story short, bless his heart, he committed this terrible crime on my beloved brown gold. Now, my first instinct was obviously to alert the Queen, but I thought that the best course of action would be to show all you newcomers to the world of Marmite how it's done. So hopefully you can actually enjoy it if you ever get sent some, or feel a bit adventurous if you visit the UK. So let's start with the easiest and arguably best method: Marmite on toast. Just 3 ingredients needed: bread, butter, and of course, Marmite. Toast your bread however you want. I prefer mine slightly browned with a bit of give, but my girlfriend prefers it firm and golden brown. No giggling at the back, thank you. Butter your toast, real butter, and plenty of it. None of that low-fat vegetable oil nonsense. Finally, a small amount of Marmite, evenly spread. Enjoy with tea, coffee, or freshly squeezed orange juice. For maximum Britishness, discuss the weather while you eat it. Recipe number 2, super cheese on toast. Again, just 3 ingredients needed: bread, Marmite, and your preferred cheese. No butter required for this recipe, as the fat from that melting cheese will provide all that oily moisture we need. Lightly toast your bread, but stop short of when you'd usually call it done. We're going to toast it a little more in a minute, so you don't want to burn it. Spread a little Marmite straight onto your bread. Again, don't go nuts, just a small amount will do. And then load up with your favourite cheese. The most popular choices are firm, sharp-tasting local cheeses like Cheddar, Double Gloucester, Wensleydale, and Red Leicester. And yes, we do name all our cheeses after the towns they come from. Good job they don't make cheese in Fingering Hoe. Now pop your toast cheese side up under your grill or broiler and cook until the cheese is nice and gooey. Again, when you take it out is up to you. Some prefer it just melted, others like it crispy and brown on top. A perfect afternoon snack for lazy weekends. Enjoy with a glass of port, a sherry, or a cheeky whiskey. If you're a bit more adventurous with your cheese, or just a pervert like me, swap out your cheddar for a creamy, mild blue cheese like Santerre or Danish Blue. Now that tastes seriously naughty. Number 3 is super quick, and it's not really a recipe, more a recommendation: Marmite stock. Marmite is a great way of adding a salty, savoury umami punch to any dish that calls for stock or bouillon. It's also pretty practical because you won't be adding more moisture to your dish, just the flavour. A teaspoon is usually enough for a dish for 2 or 3 people, and you can obviously add more if you like. Marmite has a really unique, almost meaty flavour, even though it's totally vegan, and that makes it perfect for making wholesome vegetarian dishes a bit more robust and punchy. Pasta sauces, stews, soups, stir in a spoon of Marmite and change your life for the better. Finally, here's one that hardly any British people know about: Marmite and honey glaze. So let's say you've made some delicious fried chicken, or maybe slow cooked some ribs, a roasted duck perhaps, or something that isn't a cute but delicious dead thing. You're gonna want to glaze that, right? I mean, you're not a monster. Heat a pan and mix in 1 part of Marmite to 3 parts runny honey. Heat it until it starts to bubble and slightly caramelize, then toss your food in it and serve. Salty, savoury, sweet, tangy, probably the best thing ever, all things considered. Now I can almost hear you asking the question from here. Yes, Marmite is pretty salty, so if you're on a low sodium diet, my advice is, honestly, we're all gonna die eventually, so you might as well die of something this delicious. Go out with a bang, a mouth-watering, salty Marmite bang. As I said at the start, this isn't a cooking channel. I paint miniatures, so don't go hitting that subscribe button if you're looking for more food videos, you greedy little piglet. If you'd like pretty chill, entertaining hobby and craft videos though, I've probably got you covered. So catch you next time maybe. Bye for now.